a traditional staple in our region. And it's now being introduced to these Pre-K-3 students. Mexican Buñuelos.
Can you do that?
It goes back to our culture. It goes back to our grandparents doing it. Being that we're so close to Mexico, our grandparents used to do that, and that's something that we want to keep alive.
The students are introduced to Buñuelos from scratch with a mixture of flour, sugar, and dough. Perfect timing with the holidays coming up, and a chance for the students to practice what they've learned in class, the 5 senses.
They're smelling, they're touching, what they're looking at, the eyes, the smell, how the cinnamon smells. How, if the sugar does sugar smell? Does it have a scent? Does the cinnamon have a scent?
They were enjoying themselves. It's just wonderful. Seeing a child start from the mixing, putting the water, putting everything, it was just absolutely marvelous.
A project like this is not only a powerful educational practice for the boys and girls, it gives them a new level of confidence. Julianne Jones notices the change with her son, Charles.
I noticed that he was pretty open to it, but was also a little hesitant, just experiencing the textures of the flour and the stickiness when you add the water. And he definitely enjoyed getting to do such a hands-on thing and not just watch somebody else do it.
The experience not only impacts the students now, but will go a long way as they grow in their education.
He'll be able to apply this in lots of surprising ways, even when he does math later and when he's reading stories about cooking. Like, all of this is building up to his framework for learning in the future.
A tradition that still lives, and the first of many beautiful and memorable experiences at Huasco ISD. For KWS TV, I'm Gonzalez.